Hello my crafty friends, this is Laurie, Girl on the Ridge, with a tutorial on collaging. I had read some comments on my last video, and hi Brenda, this is for you and whoever needs hopefully a little help on collaging and how I do it and go about it. I did film this yesterday for about 20 minutes and I couldn't get it to work, so I did make these as apparently I was talking to myself. These were envelopes. This is like a National Grid envelope. And I collaged this. And we're going to do two more. I'm going to do a bag and another envelope. And this one I left it open, just stamped friends. We did that. And you'll see the nice shimmer on these. I just love these. And then we did a blue one. Or I did, because nobody was with me. And just another one, random one, and this one I did, and I'll show you this new stuff I got, gilding polish, enchanting gold. Oh my god, I love it, but this was way too much, so I tried to tone it down a little. So collaging, the best advice I can give you, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we'll do an envelope. If you want to pause and do it along with me, I want you to go get three to five pieces of material. A cloth of cream or white. It could be an old sheet, a piece of muslin, whatever. Maybe a floral print, maybe a stripe print. These are all little pieces. And yes, I match them. You don't have to match them, but maybe to start with, you might want to. Maybe you got to get over that hump of not liking what you're putting together. So maybe match the best you can. So I am going to do the envelope first. I usually pick a corner. Put a little... Alright, we'll put the little muslin down. Yeah, let's make sure this is taping and I'm in frame. Okay, put that down. I'll take a little piece. I don't play a lot with it because that's when I keep changing my mind and I'll never get nothing done. All right, so I got a floral, a striped, and a print. Or a print, striped, and just a blank cream colored one, plain one. Then I already cut out a flower, and we'll use yellow and the peachy one. So now if you don't have access to digital downloads or anything, magazines, calendars, oh god, there's so much out there. I will put a piece of lace. So you got 3 pieces of material, a little piece of lace, and again, usually I go with my first gut instinct of where I'm going to put it. And then stick that there. And this was a little flower that kind of went with it. I'm not sure where that broke off. Alright, that's fine. And I do love my little seam binding. Or, I'm sorry, this is Sari Silk. And usually I put it maybe on the side. And you could use seam binding, you can use ribbon. I mean, there's just lots of things. And then, well, that's come along just fine, glue. Then usually I always take a piece of, I had this little tiny book. I love the words. So I just kind of take maybe a little words. I will ink this up. I can't go over 15 minutes because I think that's where my problem went. And put it like that. I'm pretty happy with that. I might just take because these are envelopes that I did ahead of time. I have a stack of them with my homemade gesso. Did another little stamp. I inked up the edges. And now the only thing I'd probably do, and I don't, oh yeah. So this is a piece of muslin. It's just a little strip. I'll take it and make a little bow, because I love my bows. And it gives it dimension. And I'll stick it right there. That'll work. And then I showed this, and yeah, my desk is messy. I hid the grandkids all day. I showed this was, I bought this. It's eyeshadow at Marshall's, and it's really cool, the colors. And I'll just take the little gold and just pink gold. And it just gives it a nice little sheen to it. And that's, again, just try to limit your, try to match first. Like I said, maybe that's what you're not liking, or you're trying to mix, and then maybe, you know, the other colors will come. So that's, to me, that's you know, a collage part. So then we'll do a bag. And this one I will, let's see, run it through my little embossing machine. Sorry if I'm going a little fast. I just want this to work. And I'll just emboss this, because I have that enchanting polish. Builder's polish I want to show you. It's so pretty. Okay, first I will do a little ground espresso to bring out the stamps. Okay. Then on this one, I would get a long strip. And sometimes you can sew, well, you can't sew it on the bag, but if you take it apart. A long strip, we'll do a pink. I mean, I'm into pink. I mean, go with the colors that you like. Don't worry about what everybody else is doing. Go with your heart. If you like greens and purples, you know, go with that. You can make anything look vintage. Just dirty it up, crinkle it up. And let's go with this one. I'll go with the 3 layers. I'll just take the roses. Sheets make, this is an old sheet. These make really good, let them sit in coffee. They make a really good backdrop, and they go far. Okay, so I got 3 pieces there. Oh, it's glue. I'll get my little book page, and we'll just, see, this is going to be my flower, because I love pink. No, let's go this way. That way. Yep. And then make that up. And just put that there. And my flower. These are Tsunami Rose that I just printed up. And there. There. Kind of like that. And then I would take another piece of sari silk. And I would just pop this down. And just walk it down. Walk it down to give it that ruffled look. I mean, your hands are going to get dirty, but hey. Okay. And that looks fine to me for I might put a bow on that, but I think that's fine because the glitter is so pretty. I'm going to do a little of the green in the middle. Even on the there. Remember, 3 to 5 pieces, and oh, see here, I just had this laying here. And I love buttons, maybe. Let's take a couple off. And then it just adds texture. These I got at Tattered Dream, the little ball clips. Put some old buttons on it, or a charm. And I always put these on my bags. And again, it just adds a little charm. So this stuff, again, it's metallic gilding polish, enchanted gold. I just ordered it from Amazon, and it is gorgeous. But a little goes a long way. See the shimmer in that? This is great on embossing. So I just take a little. Like I said, this does. And it just hits the raised letters. And it just hits that beautiful. See that shimmer? Oh, gorgeous. I don't know if you could see it. That is my new favorite thing for this week. And then what I would also do is I would take a sponge, because I am a gold and pink girl. I would just do a little, this is Victorian velvet. A little pink over this. It just looks romantic to me. And I like to be around pretty things in this crazy world. So even, I mean, don't forget, when you collage, you can also, you go over it with your inks. You can do a little gesso over it if there's something you really don't like. I mean, there's a lot there, and I would be pretty happy with that. So we got that we just did. We got this that we did. It's still shiny, but that's the eyeshadow. And then these are the ones that I did when you guys were watching. That one, like I said, it's got a little too much gold. This one has the eyeshadow. This one has very little. And we did the blues. This one I sewed. This one I did a little sewing. I just took the envelope apart and sewed. And then this one was an old National Grid card. The other one was, one of these was a Social Security card. And in this, the window, I just glued a little picture to it so the birds come through. So that's a little on collaging. I hope that helps. Start with 3 to 5 pieces of material. Put them down, leave them, and start with colors that you like. Like I said, maybe that's the problem that some of you are having. So that's it, and I will be back. We'll see you soon. Bye.